Mira nomás, a perfect plate of chilaquiles. This plate is made with some crunchy chips, a tasty salsa verde, a couple of over easies on top, and one of my favorite toppings, some crema. Let's get fired up and cook them on the Blackstone Griddle. Vámonos! Chilaquiles are a traditional, delicious Mexican breakfast dish. In this video, I'm gonna fry up some totopos and then toast some chiles and other ingredients to blend up a delicious salsa verde. Then we'll top that with some over easy eggs, cheese, and a little bit of extra good stuff too. This is a simple recipe with bold flavors, and the beauty of it is that you can build off of this recipe to top with your favorite sides or served with your favorite protein. So let's get fired up and get it cooking on the Blackstone Griddle. Vámonos! It's time to start cooking some salsa verde for our chilaquiles. We're gonna toast our chiles really quick here on the griddle. We're gonna cook our tomatillos, and we're gonna give our garlic a little bit of toast too. It's a small batch of salsa verde, so we're just gonna use a little bit of onion, not too much. You know you can fry on the Blackstone griddle too. We're gonna check my oil temperature here. Should be about 325 or so. We're gonna take these corn tortillas. We're gonna cut these up into little quarters. We're gonna drop a few of them in here at a time. I'm gonna see if I can do half and then the other half. I'm gonna grab my little spider here, spread them around. Look at that, what a beautiful sight. While that's going on, let me move my chiles around, make sure we get a nice little char on them. Flippity flip these onions. We got beautiful golden brown chips here. We're gonna put them on our little cooling rack. And you might want to shake just a hair of salt on these right when they come out. Our jalapeños are looking really good. The serranos are looking good. The tomatillos are looking good. Everything's looking great here, friends. Did y'all see that? This dude is hot. All right, I'm gonna get the jalapeños out. They're soft. They've got a little char on them. That's all I was looking for. I'll take out the onions. We're gonna let these cool off a little bit. Then we're going straight to the blender. Oil's getting nice and hot again. We're coming back up. We're gonna do another batch. I'm gonna put a little bit less this time so that we don't lose our oil temperature. There we go. Now we're talking. You wanna kind of push down on them a little bit, make sure that they're floating loose. Man, it smells amazing. You can smell the corn from the tortillas. It smells delicious already. If you guys have never had chilaquiles, you don't know what you're missing. I promise if you guys try this at home, you're gonna really enjoy it. You wanna make sure they float independently, so they get nice and crispy on all sides. Move them around if you have to. You can cook them a little bit longer, make them a little more golden. I personally like them right about there. If you leave them on too long, they might get like a little bit of a burnt taste. I like them to taste nice, crisp, and corny, kind of like me. All right, this batch is done too. We are ready. Make sure you have a nice snap. Nice crunch. Ooh, yeah, baby. And this is gonna be a real simple salsa verde. Now you can get more complex. This is a little more traditional to what we do here in South Texas. We're gonna drop all these ingredients in here. Next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna drop a little handful of cilantro in here. A little bit of water, shouldn't need too much. Half of a teaspoon of salt. I know, it's not traditional, but I do like a little bit of black pepper in mine. All right, let's make our salsa here. I'm gonna take the salsa out of the blender. I'm gonna pour it into this bowl and let it cook a little bit longer. I'm gonna go ahead and get my over easy started over here with our little Blackstone rings. We're gonna take a couple of eggs here and get them just right. And it doesn't take long for these eggs to set. Once they're set here, you can just very carefully pull the ring out. Let's take some of these totopos, put them right here. And this is how we make chilaquiles, my friends. Let's spread these around a little bit. Toss them. I can smell it. We're gonna put these on my plate here. Beautiful here. There we go. And we need to flip our over easies really quick-wise. All right, so here's our beautiful eggs right here on top of the chilaquiles plate. Gonna turn the griddle off here. A little bit of crema. A little bit of queso fresco, and we are good, friends. We are good. And I'm gonna shake a little bit of this essential blend on my eggs. Basically salt, pepper, and garlic. And it's time to take that delicious taste test, my favorite part of every video. Look at that egg. perfectly cooked. Oh man, that definitely deserves a second bite. So I'm taking a bite with the eggs, the totopos, the salsa, the queso fresco, and the crema all together now. Oh man, that's good. Wow. Friends, this is a quick and easy dish to make. I promise you're gonna love it. Everything today worked out really, really good on this Blackstone griddle. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to hit that like button. We'll see you guys on the next video. Keep the smoke light, make it work. Boom! I'm gonna finish my chilaquiles. They are super good.